Why'd you shut it off, bro? What is up, YouTube? So today I'm headed to Jimmy's because I got off work like super early and there wasn't really that many jobs. I got all my suspension stuff in the mail. Sorry about that, my camera's like super loose. I gotta go tighten that up. I'll just wait till I get to Jimmy's. He probably has a wrench we can use, or it's a little screwdriver. I'm redoing my whole BMW suspension. I'm just fitting all the small parts in my bag. It's like all new end links, bushings, everything. We are gonna replace the BMW's full suspension, and we got coilovers, so we're gonna lower the car today. It's gonna be really sick, guys. I'm super excited to see what the car looks like. The wheels, I gotta get for the size I want. I can't just go out and get some tires. I gotta go order them and stuff. So I'm gonna get some new wheels for that, and then hopefully she's gonna look stancy. All right, we got everything in the car. My bad, I just like ran all the way up and just to get all this stuff in. But now we're gonna head to Jimmy's and lower the freaking Beamer. We made it to James Isaac Neutrons. Look at this guy shaved. Oh my god! He's gonna kill us! You don't even know how to fly planes, dude. It's not like every video that I come here, you're not flying anything. Here he comes! Hey, what's shaking, girl? Alright, guys. So we're gonna move this thing on the lift and then hopefully get her lowered and get all the suspension stuff done. So here's the undercarriage of this old freaking Beamer. This thing's gonna need a lot of work, but we're getting the suspension done. Doesn't look too bad, I mean, for being an 89.
Beef slaughter. A small fry.
Head taught a bad guy. I'm gonna be taking off all the wheels. We're not doing the control arms today due to the fact that the kit, I guess I didn't read or anything see that they didn't have bushings, but I'm just gonna get some polyurethane bushings. They're like 40 or 50 bucks. So I'm gonna order those this week and then come back and we'll do the control arms and bushings, and then we'll probably do an exhaust or something. But right now I'm gonna get all the wheels off and start doing like the small stuff, like the end links and then the tie rods and all that other good stuff. So Jimmy was a liar, pants on fire. We actually found the bushings. So these are M3 bushings. They're a little bit tougher, but we're gonna see how they work with the coils and stuff. But if I don't like them, we're gonna switch to the polyurethane bushings that are offset to give it a smoother ride. But I don't think it should be terrible, too bad. But if it is, we're gonna change it up. So I did the deed.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta beat it. That's what she said.
So we did the deed. We cut the muffler off. This thing is huge though. Like, I don't even know. But I'm gonna cut these bibbity pipes off. Jimmy had a little piece right here. We're gonna weld on for now. See how she sounds. But eventually we're gonna cut the cats out and make it be a race car.
Really, nigga?
All right, start her up. Ooh. Rev it up, dude. Just from the muffler, that's crazy. Alright, it's cold. Yeah. Sounds pretty good to me.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, you came back from AutoZone. I didn't take you because you we got this piping because this is how you do it. This costed me $23. This is a $23 exhaust, guys. If you guys have any I guess like an inline 6 or anything and you want to get something that sounds decent, cut your muffler off and spend 23 bucks. Best 23 bucks you could ever spend. Look what we got. We got new bushies. 2 new bushies. Hopefully like this thing doesn't shake anymore because it was pretty annoying. This guy broke my bolt.
Unlike person on YouTube.
That's not fair, man.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
Now Jimmy has to make something crazy happen so it fits on here. But here's the new control arms. I'm pretty sure these are M3 control arms. I'm not 100% sure. That's what it said on the description. So we got the Weld Master getting ready to get this $23 exhaust going. I don't know what he's doing, but
I got the maracas. Hey, Macarena. I'm a two, I'm a head, I'm a head up. Alright, dude, that's what I've heard about.
now it's really a BMW. No, I think just the pipes looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't want to be shooting rust at everybody on the highway. Like,
yeah, that's pretty.
Alright guys, if you guys want some nice lubed up bushings, hit up, what's your Instagram name?
Flippin' Samoan.
Flippin' Samoan? You're Samoan?
Yeah, Samoan.
That's what's up, bro. So this is the dilemma with this $20 exhaust.
I don't do that shit.
Jimmy didn't have all the premium, super cool piping, so I said, F it. Let's go to AutoZone. So we went to AutoZone and grabbed these pipes. So everybody, Jimmy doesn't do $20 exhausts. I told him to make me a $20 exhaust. JWSPEEDFACTORY, look at this guys. This is what he makes. He made this. He made this intercooler. How much is this intercooler?
How much? I'd sell it for like $900.
$900 for, I mean, it's got one of the...
Garrett core.
It's a Garrett core, so it's one of the best cores. But yeah, he doesn't do poopy work. I make him do work with the cheap parts I give him. All right, we got the exhausty on. Why'd you shut it off, bro? All right, start it off. This is a cold start. All right, yeah, bro. Rev that bitch up. Yeah, dude. We're making progress. We got the driver's side coil on, and the new top hats. We got some new top hats. They are Euro part top hats. See on this side. So we got this on, and then we just got to hook up the control arm and all the other stuff. So we're making some progress. So hopefully she'll be low here pretty soon. Both front coils are on. Got the M3 bushings, the M3 control arms. Got new end link, got the coils, and then we just got to put the coils in the back. We got the springs ready to go for everything, and then yeah, she'll be pretty much brand new, guys. Comment down below what you think. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Get yourself a deal for the hard to reach spots. All right, wheels are touched down. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. You said what?
It's still sitting on the lift. It's gonna go lower.
There she is, guys. She's nice and low. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the new wheels on. But now it's time to straighten this out a little bit, and then yeah. All right, guys. We're taking it for a last test drive. See how this thing sounds and see how the alignment is. It feels a lot smoother just from like driving it. But I'm gonna have Jimmy man the camera, and we're gonna have some fun.
What do you think, Anthony?
I think it sounds good, but it feels better. Doesn't shake.
What do you think, Dale?
This thing is great.
Do for Dale! Do for Dale!
We're going to McDonald's.
Where's it at?
Straight ahead.
Alright, well, let me get gas.
Alright, you can get gas. That's alright with me.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that for me? I can't hear you.
Classic chicken sandwich, please. Alright, guys, we're gonna finish the night off at Mickey D's. I want to say thanks to Jimmy for helping me out, getting all this shit done. Also, thanks to Dale. He's the freaking bomb. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Stop, dude. Just from the muffler, that's